Hello everyone, this is Mike from Accounting for Cycling. We are going to do a quick unboxing, or I guess unenveloping, of the new GoPro Enduro battery. It's supposed to be longer lasting and better for a wide temperature range, which should be good as my home here in Wisconsin is gearing up for the winter. Let's take a peek inside, shall we? So first we break open this adhesive. Oh yeah, just like opening something from the government. There we go. That's the unboxing experience you really want. Something similar to the IRS or the DMV. All right. So we've got the envelope, the battery in its plastic packaging, your lifetime limited warranty, and tips. Charge to 100% before each use. Keep the battery warm by storing it close to your body, maybe inside of a pocket, maybe in the camera in a pocket. And in temperatures below 14 degrees, also known as probably tomorrow or sometime next week, or negative 10 degrees Celsius, recording frequent clips can apparently warm the camera and extend the battery performance. Yeah, we'll test that out a different day. It's about 41 degrees Fahrenheit right now, so... Alright, well, that was the unboxing slash unbagging. For only $25, or I think it was $20 as a GoPro subscriber. Yeah, you can get the battery they should have launched with the device, but at least it's here now. And it still works in the dual charger for the other ones. So that's a positive. Save yourself another $20 or $25 on buying another one of those. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to watch more of my content, please like and subscribe. And thanks for tuning in.